Hey everyone! Welcome back to IELTS Spark, where we turn real IELTS questions into high-scoring answers. Today's topic is powerful. It's about a person who inspired you. Let's listen to a candidate's first attempt and then level it up together.
Describe a person who inspired you. You should say who the person is, how you met them, what they did, and explain how they inspired you.
The person who inspired me is my teacher. He was my English teacher in high school. He taught us very well and was friendly. He helped me improve my speaking. He always encouraged students and gave us confidence. I liked his way of teaching, and he made me want to be a teacher too.
Okay, not bad. But let's unpack this. Joseph understood the question. Well, that's a good start. But there's lots of simple language and no real story. Let's talk improvements. Taught us very well, friendly, encouraged. These are okay, but too basic and vague. Instead, use stronger expressions like, he had a unique way of making English exciting. His passion for teaching was contagious. The answer lacks personal emotion and details. We don't really feel the inspiration yet. Add a clear moment or turning point. For example, one day he stayed after class just to help me prepare for a speech. Now let's hear a much stronger version.
One person who truly inspired me was my high school English teacher, Mr. Rahman. I first met him in class 9, and right away, I noticed something different. He didn't just teach English. He brought it to life. He used stories, games, and even music to make grammar lessons interesting. What stood out was how he always believed in his students. I used to struggle with speaking English, especially in front of others. But he pushed me to try, and once he selected me for a school debate. I was terrified, but he helped me prepare after school. Every day for a week. After that debate, I not only spoke fluently, but I also won second place. That moment changed everything. I realized that with the right support, I could do more than I thought. Mr. Rahman inspired me to believe in myself and made me consider teaching as a future career.
Let's zoom in on what made this answer Band 8 material. Storytelling. There's a clear journey from struggle to success. Vivid details, phrases like brought it to life and terrified, add color and emotion. Reflective ending. Showing how the inspiration affected his future goals is exactly what IELTS examiners love. Now let's try the same structure with different examples.
Talk about a person who made a positive impact in your life. Describe someone who helped you achieve something difficult. Describe a role model in your community.
Another person who inspired me was my elder sister. She had to work 2 jobs to support our family and still managed to get into university. I saw her studying at night after long shifts and never complaining. She taught me how to stay focused and not give up. Whenever I feel tired or stressed about exams, I think of her. Her strength and determination have always motivated me to work hard and stay hopeful.
So what can we learn? Personal examples always stand out. It's not about using fancy words, it's about authentic emotions. Show how the inspiration changed your mindset or life. Now it's your turn. Think of someone who shaped your life and tell their story clearly with emotion and detail. Enjoyed this practice? Like, share, and subscribe to IELTS Spark for more breakdowns and Band 8 Plus answers. Drop your own story in the comments. Who inspired you? And I'll see you next time for another real IELTS speaking challenge.